What's up, everybody? I just checked into my room at the Pub Hotel. Just arrived in Olongapo. Let's check it out. That's the entrance right there. Got a little safe, bolted down. That's the bathroom. Got a hot water heater. Everything. This one of those budget hotels. Paid like $166 for like 6 nights off of Agata. Got all your basic needs. Little small refrigerator. Not too much of a view of anything, but not too far from the beach. That's where I'll probably be hanging out at. Bed is fine. So that's the room. I'm gonna chill for a minute, then go find something to eat. Catch you guys later. What up, everybody? I'm in Olongapo right now. About to go try to find me a backpack so I can pass on to put my stuff in when I go to the beach or just go to the grocery store. Let's go. I'm gonna try to check out Subic. I'm just going up to the Subic, like right across the bridge. How much?
Subic?
Yeah, just Subic across the bridge. 50? Yeah. Huh? 100? It's not that far. It's right there. Yeah, just, yeah, 50. Okay. Yeah, right here, good.
Yeah?
Yeah. Cool. Thank you. Yeah, they got a bunch of shops around here. Got some fresh fish. This is where I get my hair cut at right here. Only 100 pesos, $2. Don't look like it's too much more down this way. Go back the other way. Oh, this, they Man, I have some right here. How much backpacks?
One?
Yeah.
30.
How much?
350.
350? Oh, okay.
Small spoon.
That's a small one? What the- That's all good. How much is this? 250? Oops. Yeah, I'll get this one, 350.
You get it?
Yeah. Oh, I could get it. Accomplished the mission already. Oh, you know what? Can I get this all black? Is this black?
Black? Yes, black.
Yeah, let me get this one instead. Boy, it's hot out here today. Saying it's 86. I gotta thank Subic Bay Johnny for this one. I'm always watching this YouTube. He always walking up and down these streets. So $3.50, that's roughly about like a little less than $7 for the bag. Thank you. Just do a little bit more walking around and head back. Some dog pooped and I didn't step in it. Gotta watch where you step around here. Might check out Jollibee later on this week. That's like the Philippines KFC right there. A whole bunch of shops. The John Pest. might have to come down here and try some food. Good prices. Bunch of fruit stands. Sorry store. I'll start walking back. What is?
Basketball league, sir.
I don't know. Yeah, clothes cheap around here. 80 pesos, 100 pesos. Oh, nothing. Oh, let's see what they got. Yeah, 80 pesos, that's about $1.50. 100 pesos, that's about $2. So that's how much they be paying for their shirts and shorts. Oh, oh yeah, I went. Oh, what's up? So mission accomplished. I got my bag, only $3.50, roughly about $7. Now it's getting hot out here. I'm about to go try to find something to eat. So until next time, deuce.